Welcome to the Hawthorn, a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment home offering 1,138 square feet of modern comfort and style. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the designer details, from brushed nickel fixtures and pendant lighting to the rich hardwood-style plank flooring that runs throughout the home. The kitchen is the heart of the Hawthorn, with white shaker cabinets, granite countertops, a spacious island, stainless steel appliances, and a classic subway tile backsplash. This space is as functional as it is stylish, perfect for cooking or entertaining. Moving into the living area, you'll love the open feel, complete with ceiling fans and access to your own private patio or balcony. An ideal spot to relax at the end of the day. Both bedrooms feature ceiling fans and spacious walk-in closets, giving you comfort and plenty of storage. The bathrooms are designed to impress, with double sink vanities and sleek glass-enclosed showers that bring a touch of luxury into your daily routine. For added convenience, every home includes a full-size washer and dryer and ADT smart home technology. The Hawthorn blends style, comfort, and everyday practicality, making it the perfect place to call home.